Am I live?
Hello.
I am live. Am I live?
Hello.
Oh my god. I'm very sorry for this. Am I live?
Hello.
Oh my god. I'm very sorry for this. I turned down the volume a bit. Yeah. Cool. I'm good to start. Wait, I don't wanna. I've got lots of things here. I might. Okay, there's nothing much. Nothing much. You can't see interesting stuff. Otherwise, I'll just chat rate. I got someone during my chat. Nah, that's a lie. Yeah. So I fixed my streaming, I think, hopefully. Just by in settings. So basically, I hope this can, yeah, it is shown. I've changed this one to 6,000, but I don't think that's what has that played the role. This thing played the role, I think. The video encoder. I changed it back to software. It was hardware Apple, and it didn't work. Like it kept getting freezed. So now it looks to be fine. I think it's about like what? This thing has not been updated yet. Like it kept getting freezed. Like 2 minutes. It's fine. It's fine for now. It's been fine for now. Like it hasn't freezed for 2 minutes. Nearly 3 minutes already. I think that's an achievement. Alright, let's do the quiz. I got my timer on. This is week 12, but I do 1 minute less because I started on the week 2 recording these sessions. Wait, hold on, I'll open up the quiz as well. Courses. Chemistry. So happy it works. Actually interesting. If I go with my camera, I know I'll look. Ooh, the camera is not the best. I might do it this way. Doesn't help much. I'll turn off this light. Sorry, it's a bit messy behind me. Yeah, I need to open thing. So I'm going to assessment learning materials. I wonder. Okay, I think it's easier to find it in a grade book. Week Oh god. I haven't done the previous week's quiz as well. Oh, that's... I kinda forgot about it. God. Okay. Only 16 questions though. Okay. Look in. Molecular formulae of the first three members of alkene. Okay. What is the molecular formula of eighth alkane? C8H16. Which equation correctly shows the complete combustion? Plus oxygen, carbon dioxide, and water. Not balanced. Balanced carbons. Are hydrogens balanced? Yes, they are. Are oxygens balanced? 6. 3 plus. These are not balanced. Balanced carbons. 12 hydrogens. 12 hydrogens. 12 oxygens. 8 oxygens plus 6 oxygen. 14 oxygen. No, not balanced. Balanced carbons. Carbons are balanced. 12. Yep, 12 hydrogens on both sides. 8 plus 6, 14. Yeah, this one is the one that's balanced. Which of these harder carbons could react with steam to form an alcohol? Any of these? What is the oxidation state? Okay, so it's -8 in total due to oxygen. And it's +7. Calcium. No, chlorine. Calcium is usually +2. This overall should be -2 therefore. Therefore, if there are two of them, each one of these is -1, and this should be +4. Wait, 2 times 4 -8 +7. Am I not frozen? Yes, I'm not frozen. That's just great. I'm so happy it works. Gosh, I'm so annoyed I could not. I forgot about this quiz. Nobody reminded me, bro. Which of the following molecules is hexanoic acid? One, two, three, four, five, 6. Hex is 6, yeah. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Oh yeah, this is not. This is aldehyde. This is an acid. This is alkene. Name the molecule. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 1, 2. I think that's an ester, right? And I'm pretty sure first goes this thing. Ester naming. I don't exactly remember what goes. Yeah. Where was attached to the singly bonded oxygen goes first. So this should be ethyl, because 1, 2, yeah, ethyl, heptanoate. Name the molecule. Oof. What the hell is this? Alcohol, amine, and carboxylic acid. This is just some amino acid. I need to check out the priority of naming. Wait, did I answer everything before? Yeah. Because I kind of felt like I forgot something to answer. Yo, what? My shortcut does not work. Oh, because I'm full screen. What the hell? I didn't know I'm full screen. Okay. I'm still not frozen. Yeah, that was the issue. I'm pretty sure that was the issue. Just the encoder. I don't even know what that means, but if it works, it works. I'm happy, bro. Alright, I should not actually distract because I've got quite a lot of work to do. Functional group priority приporti. It will understand what I mean by that. I'm 12 minutes. Wait. I need to hide my chat. Hide chat, bro. Wait. No one's watching me, bro. I did have a chat rate of 1, now it's 0. Doesn't help much. Hide my chat. Alright, I should not actually distract because I've got quite a lot of work to do. I just wonder how it looks, everything I do here. Functional group priority. It will. Bro, I've got such a bad Slavic accent when I... You get what I mean, man. Alright. So what goes first? Submit late. I'm so dumb I'm submitting it late. I could do it earlier and it's nothing hard. Alright, I'm just gonna go with it. So 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 carbons. Ew, what the hell is this? I need some good list. Carboxylic acid is the top priority. Ester, acid halide, amide, nitrile, aldehyde, ketone, alcohol, amine. Okay, so first goes amine, then goes the alcohol, then goes the carboxylic acid. Okay, 1, 2. So it's 2 amino, 3 hydroxy, and 1, 2, 3, 4 is butanoic acid. Yep. Name this molecule. Ooh, what the hell is this? Oh, that's an amide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Butanamide. 1, 2, 3, 4. Yeah, butanamide. Following IPAC naming rules, which of the following statements are true? More than one may be true. The ester functional group has higher priority than aldehydes. I think so. Ester, amide. Oh wait, not amides, aldehydes. Ester, aldehyde, yeah, still works. Still checks out. The aldehyde functional group has higher priority than esters. That's not true. The alcohol functional group has lower priority than ketones. Ketone alcohol, yep. Alkanes have higher priority than alkenes. No, that's not true. Alkane, yeah. The amine functional group has a higher priority compared to amine. What? Amine functional group compared to amine. Maybe they meant amide. But that's not true anyways. Gosh. Select which of the following statements are true. Oh, there's EZ stuff. Right. This is... Wait, 12 plus 3 is 15. Yeah, this one is still bigger. This one is definitely bigger. So this is zusammen, this is eingegen. Therefore, A is indeed the E isomer, Z is the Z isomer, B is the Z isomer. That's not true. You do not need to use EZ naming to distinguish between. You do need to use it. Name the process by which the following reaction occurs. What's that electrophilic addition? Because yeah, it's an electrophile. Select which of the following statements are correct about electrophilic addition. More than one may be correct. Alkanes can undergo electrophilic addition. Not true. There's alkynes as well, I believe. Electrons in the pi bond are attracted to the delta positive end of the electrophile. Electrons in the pi bond are attracted to the delta positive end of the electrophile. Electrons in the sigma bond are attracted to the I guess both electrons get attracted. I don't actually know which electrons exactly, but I feel like I need to check this with GPT. I'm not sure which electrons exactly. Carbocation, carbon with a positive charge is formed in an intermediate step. Yep, it's not a negative charge, so yep. Let's go. Excuse me. Yeah, it's definitely encoder problem. I did have chemistry chat, and it's literally called chemistry, because I named it in Ukrainian with Ukrainian letters and pronunciation, but like the word is English, chemistry. We don't say chemistry in Ukrainian, we say chemia. Oh, actually, I wonder if you hear the user interface sounds. is he valid? Anyone watching me? No. That's fine. I'm doing it not because of watching. No, E is not valid. In electrophilic condition, it's pi electrons, okay. Pi tak pi. Name the mechanism by which the hydrolysis of halogen or alkane occurs. Hydrolysis. Electrophilic. No, nucleophilic substitution, I believe. Nucleophilic. Which is the most reactive halogen or alkane? Hydrogen fluoride. Because it has the highest electronegativity. Ooh. I wonder if you actually hear this stuff. I can't turn it off. Okay, I can't turn it off. That was actually funny, so well, understand what I mean by that. Oxalic acid. I can't turn it off. It's the highest electronegativity. Ooh. I wonder if you actually hear this stuff. Because it has the highest electronegativity. Ooh. Oh, actually, I wonder if you hear the users use chemistry in Ukrainian. You say chemia. Oh yeah, you do hear this interface sound. LLZ, bro. I'm glad that you hear like everything. That's impressive. Okay. Halogens make good leaving groups of what? Halogens make good leaving groups for nucleophilic substitution reactions. What do you mean by leaving groups? Okay, leaving groups, the ones that leave. Yeah, they form a weak bond with carbon. The high electronegativity of halogens means that the bonded electrons are drawn towards the halogen atom, which makes the carbon atom partially positive and susceptible to nucleophilic attack. Actually, I don't know if the A is valid. Probably not. The high electronegativity of halogens means that the bonded electrons are repelled away from the halogen atom. That's wrong. The high electrogen means that bonded electrons are repelled away from the halogen atom. That's also wrong. Both of these is a valid. And that was the last question. Yes, yeah. Yeah, let's go. It's so sad no one watching me, bro. But yeah, I'm just locked in like that. Oh, what the hell? Analytics. No, as written. Okay. Yeah. Oh shit. Sorry. I just snoozed and it didn't feel very good. So that which of the following are statement? I'm just submitting it. Close. Not marked. Oh gosh, it's gonna get marked. And it's not gonna tell me the answer yet. God damn. Okay, whatever. Yeah, I've got to do both quizzes. Week 12 quiz. Love ion exchange. Both quiz. Oh my days. That's fucking annoying. Okay, I've got to do 3 quizzes in total. "37 questions. I'm here for a long day, bro. Okay, I'm gonna look in. Gives positive test when it reacts with an aldehyde. I think yeah. Hydrogen possesses the following atoms. Hydrocarbons, sorry. If octane is thermally cracked, one of the possible products is hexane. Hexane, ethene. Yeah. Why is the production of halogenoalkanes by radical reactions not effective practically? Many products. What stage of the free radical reaction of bromine with methane does the following step represent? This is propagation. What IUPAC name? Fluorochloro. To chloro. Wait, is it an alcohol? Okay. One all. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, What is the reaction type that occurs when one chloropropane reacts with hot ethanolic potassium? So if it's ethanolic, it's not gonna give you an alcohol, it will give you an alkene. So it should be elimination. I just don't really like the nucleophilic substitution thing. In reaction mechanism, what do curly arrow represent? The movement of electrons. Whereas the CC bond in ethane is free to rotate, the bond in ethene is not. This is because which locks the carbon atoms in position relatively. Let's see. Oh damn, I got this one liked a while ago. Damn, it was 5 hours ago at some point, but it's not 5 hours ago. Fedora. I hope I'm still alive. Yeah. The pi bond in alkene can be described as electron rich, negatively charged. Which of the... no, it's not, it's neutral. The bond itself is actually charged, I would say, because on the electron side involved in the bond. Which of the following are typical reactions of alkenes? Nucleophilic, electrophilic addition. Electrophilic additions. Philic. Alcohols are produced by a combination of refluxing and distillation. What is the difference between distilling and refluxing? Distillation is used to carry out a reaction. Refluxing is used to isolate the product. Refluxing is used to carry out a reaction. So it's just... I'd say refluxing is used to produce free radicals. Distillation is used to isolate the product. Alcohols are produced by a combination of refluxing and distillation. I don't think... yeah, I don't think... I realized that I have this one liked. It's just... never mind. I was talking about the beat. I knew this beat. I used this song in my Insta, but it's quite irrelevant. Okay, so refluxing is used to carry out a reaction. I don't think it is used to produce free radicals. That would make no sense. What type of alcohol is butanediol? Secondary, because 2 alkyl groups. But is 4, yeah, 2 alkyl groups are attached to this carbon to the alpha carbon. Glucose can be converted into alcohol, which can be converted then to ethene in a 2-step process, which are 2 sequential reactions. So wait, it's like a carboxylic acid, right? I need to look up what's glucose. I'm pretty sure it's like some sort of carboxylic acid. Okay, it's not, it's an alcohol. Wait. It's kind of like alcohol, ester, glucose is an alcohol itself. There's so many alcohol groups over here. This is an alcohol group. This an alcohol. This. But okay, since this is an ester, we have to get rid of an ester. It's an oxidation, it's a thing. Then dehydration. Oh, fermentation. Maybe it's fermentation. Yeah, it is fermentation. Fermentation of glucose. It gives you an alcohol. I kind of forgot about it, but the thingy gave me a clue. And I'm lucky that it gave me the clue, because I would not be able to remember. I'm so glad it works, the stream. Damn, that's quite cool. I can check my stream from here as well, right? It gave me the clue, because I would not be able to remember. I'm so glad it works, the stream. Damn, that's quite cool. I can check my stream from here as well, right? Yes, you're right, bro. Okay, I no more need this. I'm so happy, bro. I'm so happy. I'm not telling these people how to solve it. I mean, I just can't be bothered to spend time with it. It's 36 questions. Still have to do 36 questions. What are 2 possible products formed in reaction propene with? So 2 possible products. Propene. Okay, just basically where the bromine, we got which carbon would the bromine attach to. Wait, would it even become a, yeah, it would not become an alcohol. Propene, only 3 carbons. 1 and 2. Yeah, they have to be next to each other, not 1 and 3. How many structural isomers are observed for the hydrocarbon with molecular formula? No, I don't want to think about any structural isomers. Got my, yeah, sorry. Wait, what the hell? I have 1 viewer, which is just me, probably. I'm pretty sure that's me. That's definitely me, bro. Oh god. Okay, structural isomers. I don't even remember what are these, to be honest. Molecules with the same molecular formula but different connectivity origin of these atoms. But bro, there are like, it's way too many. Okay, that's an alkene. Okay, I know cyclo. There are 1, 2, 1, 2, many carbon? So there are 5 carbons, but wait. 1, 2, 3, and 4 bonds between carbons. There are 4 plus 4, so yeah, it's 5. At least 5. Actually, even more, I think. Oh, I'll have to draw for this one. Wait, so it doesn't have... Yeah, structural. So you could see, I'm gonna connect my thing. My Discord. I'm gonna call. Hell no, what's wrong with the sound? Input should be something else, not this. Yep. Now I've fixed it. Now I can share my screen on my tablet. Some Sigma working. Sorry for that, bro. I'm saying bro to someone who's not even watching. I'm kind of talking to myself. Okay. My bet is 5, but could be more. Could be 6. I'm gonna check this. This is physics anyways, I need to go on chemistry. I'll make it full screen so that you could see. Not this thing actually. This thing. I need to hide members, and I need to up my other screen with homework. Cool. Wait, haloalkane with fluorine is unreactive. Damn. 18th December 25. Can't believe it's gonna be 26. I'll have to learn how to write 26 because I'm not used to writing 25. Okay, it's just week 12 quiz. Gosh, quizzes are so annoying. Okay, Cyclo has the same formula. This one is this one as well, and this one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. The only thing that might be not okay. So this one has only 1 hydrogen. This one only 1 hydrogen. This one H3. I'm just gonna write H2, H3. So 6, 8, 10. This gives me 10. H2, 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 H3. 5, 6, also 10. H2, 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 H3. Okay, this is 6 plus 4, also 10. And like if it's a straight chain, yeah, it could be a cycle one, which would be also 10. H2, yeah, it's just H2 times 5, which is 10. And that could be also, since there's 5, it could be like 1, 2, 3, 4. So it's like way more than 6. What does it ask for actually? Okay, I think maybe this is one structure, sort of, if it's a straight chain. No. I don't want to go anywhere, I just want to figure out my question. I need to exit the screen, I need to go into the full screen again, and I need to go into here. So glad it works. Still glad. Yeah, it's probably just functional group. Yeah, okay. So this is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Yeah, because this is the functional group isomer. Same molecular formula but different functional groups. Okay, no, I'm not right. Okay, 5. I'm just gonna do is no prop 2 in prop 1 in structural isomers. No, they are not structural, they are two different names. Prop 2 in prop 1 in. Not interested. How are they the same molecule? Oh yeah, because they are the same molecule. Okay, I'll change it to butte. Yeah, these are. So I get 1, 2, 3. Okay, this is the same. Okay. This is also the same. These are also the same. So yeah, we got 2 from here, and we got plus 4, which gives us 6. Yep. Use the enthalpy values in the table to calculate the standard enthalpy change. You do not need to state the units. So when the standard enthalpy is given, okay, which reaction is this? It should be making bonds, which should be exothermic in total, so it should be negative, the reaction overall. Therefore it should be should be this, I think. Give a standard enthalpy of combustion. Would this still be exothermic? I think so. Okay, no, it's the other way around because I got a positive value. But since I've drawn this arrow, I'm gonna write negative 76. Just gonna make it neat. So, in total, how do I say, that's reactants, takeaway, products. Negative 76. Wait, how can you combust? How can you combust carbon? Okay, I guess you can somehow. I need some different track. I've listened to this one already. I need to turn on some heater. Yeah, I can combust. So yeah, I'm just thinking it's products minus no, it's reactants takeaway products. But it doesn't always work like that. If you're given the standard enthalpy of formation, which should be that's actually such a bad question. I don't like it because it makes me think of other stuff that are so irrelevant. Calculate the enthalpy change of combustion using the standard enthalpy changes of formation in the table. You do not need to state the units. Okay, we combust glucose. I need to balance the equation. The equation needs to be balanced, bro. This one has the same enthalpy of the same magnitude as the combustion. Okay, we combust, it should be negative as well. And it also, left hand side take away the right hand side. Therefore, C6H12O6 goes to CO2 plus, oh yeah, it's plus oxygen, CO2 plus H2O, 6CCO2 and 6, and we got 12 plus 6, 18, and we got 6 here, and we got 6 to add. I think I'm done with balancing. I don't really care about it. I really hate the way when I say about it, because it's the way that my teacher says, my professor. And I low-key don't really freak with this. Frick. I don't know how to say it, bro. I want to say FW thing, but I'm on a stream, I don't want to. Oh wait, I didn't times it by 6 plus minus 286 times it by 6 as well. This one is kind of irrelevant because I don't even know. It's like formation of this is 0. It's already formed. That what it means. I think this should be equal to some negative value at least, because it's a combustion, and then it would prove my theory that is left hand side take away right hand side. Fuck, nah, it's wrong. It's a wrong theory. Okay, because it gave me the no, I think this one is right and this one is not right. I need to change to make it the other way around. Okay, I'll ask GPT what he thinks about this question. This one is definitely negative because it's a combustion reaction. Quick Hess move. You don't really need a hash smooth for this. Okay, you're probably supposed to use Hazelor because it's like combustion. Name. Okay, I'll be right back. I need to use the bathroom. Am I on? I am on. That's cool. That's cool as well. I'm back. Okay, the element has electron configuration of 10, 11, 27. Once again, 10, 27, yeah. What has 27 electrons? Actually, let me guess. I didn't look at it first. Cobalt, nickel, iron, copper. 27. Not copper. I think it could be iron or cobalt. I don't think it's a nickel. I don't remember nickels. 27. Cobalt. Okay, nickel was the next one. Oh yeah, it's cobalt. What is our about principal state? What does the Hunsel rule state? Electrons fill a subshell with single electron with a parallel spin before pairing up. What does the arrow in the diagram? Dative covalence. What? Hold on. What? What am I supposed to do in this question? A Lewis base is A, a bronze telluric acid is B. Oh my days, these questions get naughty and naughty. Wait, how am I supposed to? I'm unable to formulate these answers because this button doesn't support. But I can't do anything with these. How am I supposed to answer this now? Wait, hold on, I'll open it separately. No, I can't do anything about it. Wait, are we actually meant to do these? I feel like I'll need to ask my friend. Okay, I'm calling my friend. Oh, I'll call my Ukrainian friend. Yo, what's up, bro? Yo, bro, you know those chemistry quizzes we have to do every week?
Yeah.
So basically, the one for this week is something odd with it. I don't know, like.
Oh, because it's due on 28th of January. It's like for the whole Christmas holiday.
Wait, but wait, this one.
Yeah,
Oh, I see. Wait,
Yeah,
but question 23 is like something really weird. Like I can't do anything with the question, and
Yeah, what the fuck is that, bro?
I don't even know, man.
There's marks to that question as well.
And the same with question 27, because like just like there are
It's not.
it's just text with anything else.
Yeah. It might be a good idea to email Harriet.
Yeah, man. Yeah. Alright, how you been, bro? You are in Isham already.
I'll just go home. I'll just go home, bro.
That's good, that's good. I'll be backing out for tomorrow because I have to finish this one first. And then, alright, I'll need to do the post-lab quiz as well. But yeah, I'm traveling to Poland.
When are you flying to Poland, bro?
Bro, I have to check my tickets. I didn't have enough time to check them, bro. But it's like,
Have you booked it already?
yeah, I booked it, but like it was a while ago. Okay, I'm traveling at 1 p.m.
Where? When? Tomorrow?
Yeah, 1 p.m. tomorrow to Krakow.
Oh shit.
Yeah, yeah, man.
Like,
Oh, you're making a shake.
protein shake, bro.
Nice, nice. Alright, broski, gonna get this done.
Sweet, bro.
I'll keep in touch over the weekends, bro. The holidays.
Yeah, bro. Yeah, we'll keep in touch through Christmas, bro. It's all chill.
If you play stuff, we can play CS.
CSGO.
Yeah.
We can play that, bro. I'll go to my PC. Sweet.
Cool, bro. Yeah, I play CS2, CS2.
Yeah. Yeah, that's good.
Alright. Cool, bro. In a bit.
In a bit, bro.
Alright. So, apparently this quiz is like for the entire... Quiz 11. Wait. Quiz 12. Yeah. It's a long quiz. But I'm like halfway done this quiz as well. I was meant to spend more time on this one. Okay, it's due tomorrow. And there's less questions. Much less. Where's the ion exchange taking place in this? Where's the ion exchange? No ducking clue. I'm nearly run out on my time. I'll need to open the lab sheet next to my stuff, so I could answer that thing. Sour Haribos. Oh damn, what the hell? That's something new. That was not the thing before. It was not like this before. Oh, I hate this beat. This one is better. And this one is also quite annoying. I'm quite fussy about music, I know. Okay, hold on. My lab sheet. Well, it's due tomorrow, so like I've got time, but I don't want to be like messing with my stuff tomorrow. I want to be done tomorrow. Mm-mm-mm. I'll need to have some food as well. Yeah, that was me. I locked out. I locked out from work. I might have a break right now, and I'll finish it later today. Because I need to pack up my stuff. I need to put my laptop on a charge. I don't think I'll stream today, but it could be useful. But I don't want to do chemistry in my life anymore. I started to hate it. Cause like we are not learning it properly. We're learning just like the pace is crazy. Like people are just struggling with stuff. I know everything already from here, but I don't want to be like. Yeah, I'm doing the physics degree anyways. Alright, I'm just gonna open up. If it's the last lab though, it gotta be properly done. Got to be properly done. Wait, assessment, titration, ion exchange. I need to go on to labs. Ion exchange, pre-lab, legal lab. Що раптом тобі потрібен мій identification, man? I'm getting mad about anything. I'm telling you, bro. Okay, I got it right here. Yeah, I'm gonna continue. Hopefully, I'll do this today. But that means I'm not gonna be able to stream. I don't know. I'll see how it goes. So I'm